Very, very good morning to all the wonderful guests here. My respect to respected Chancellor, my respect to DG Sir, my respect to all the dignitaries who are sitting in front of me, right, to make this wonderful summit a successful summit. I, on behalf of Maharishi University, I welcome you because I always feel when I've been invited to Maharishi University, I'm a part of Maharishi University. And I always feel that yes, it is my duty, it is my respect for all the educators. Because let us have something Hindi and English both, because we keep on talking in English in every aspect, right? And being apart from corporate for 40 years, we always used to talk only in English. But आज थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करते हैं, दिल से दिल की बात करते हैं, दिल की बात करेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा, और दिल की बात करेंगे तो अंदर तक जाएगी. Thank you very much for such a wonderful way of endorsing it. आज यहाँ पे शिक्षक भी हैं और रक्षक भी हैं, तो मैं दोनों को नमन करता हूँ, क्योंकि शिक्षक को हम ज्ञान दे नहीं सकते, उनको हम सम्मान दे सकते हैं, और सेम थिंग हम जो है रक्षक को भी हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उनको हम सम्मान दे सकते हैं. तो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दैट बोथ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पीपल हु टेक केयर फॉर द इंटायर country, they are here, and I'm feeling very happy and blessed that I am a part of them at this wonderful platform. I also thank Dr. Ratish Gupta, who has organized under the great leadership of DG Sir, under the great leadership of Vice Chancellor Sir, and of course the Chancellor Sir, because we keep on hearing about you, Chancellor Sir, but today I'm very happy that I'm able to meet you here, because I keep on seeing your LinkedIn post. Every day something is happening there, so that is a great thing which we keep on learning from you. Thank you once again. I was just listening the talk which Dr. Ajay has said about it. So I'll take your points on this technology and innovation. I'll come to it, sir. But today it is a very, very important topic which is there, with the face of innovation and the change which is there. And it has been reminded by the Charles Darwin theory. He said it is not the strongest of the species that survive, not the most intelligent, but the most responsive to change. Most responsive to change. It is very important, but we have to be responsible to change ourselves, because change is the desired requirement. You all know about the NCF policy. I'm not going to talk about it. You all know about the NEP 2020. You know that what the things are going to happen. But now I will talk something very different, and I'm sure you will really love it. We started with 22,000. And 2020 and 2024. 4 years, 4 साल में हमने बंद भी देखा है, लॉकडाउन भी देखा है, टेक्नोलॉजी भी देखी है, जूम भी देखा है, ये और हर चीज़ हमने यूटिलाइज की है. बट नाउ वी हैव कम ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म, वी आर गोइंग टू ऑन 2025 to 30. ये 5 साल where we are talking about the SDG goals, the 17 goals where United Nations has put, where education is one of the very, very important segment. और ये 5 साल ही हैं हमें चेंज करने के लिए. अभी मैं आपसे एक छोटा सा इंटरेक्शन करूँगा. Why I said this 5 साल? रेनबो सबने देखा है, हाथ उठा दीजिए अगर देखा है तो. रेनबो सबको अच्छा लगता है ना? क्यों अच्छा लगता है? बिकॉज स्काई तो हम हमेशा देखते हैं. But rainbow, it is full of colors. It is full of colors. And today, the education requires the colors, which is very important. We talk about IQ, but today, I like to say, it is not the actual IQ, it is actually the interest quotient, which has to be ensured with the student. And here, the educators, they understand about it, because when they want to come into a class, how they are going to ignite the interest, which is more important, because the span time of the student is not more than 10 minutes. And even the people sitting here or wherever we go in the conferences, we hardly listen for 5 minutes and start doing our own work, because the span is getting reduced. We are on the real segment. We are on the segment where we are talking about the Gen Alpha. So that is one thing, because IQ is very important. The interest quotient has to be ignited. Second part I like to have, we all know magnets, correct? We all know magnets. And we love to play with the magnets. But what was earlier happening, now we have to change. We have to build our student like a magnet, because they should not be like a nails. Nails means that they are going to work for somebody. But the magnet is, it is like they are going to attract somebody because they may not be a job provider. They may be a job seeker. But when they are working in any of the industry or any of the part, they should be responsible. They should be they should be working as a leader, which is very important. And tomorrow, the startups, the way the India mein aa rahe hain, they are building the things, and this is the way we can change about it. Now, we have heard about Maharishi University. We have heard about many things which are happening here. But actually, जो responsibility होगी अब 2025 में, वो basically schools की होगी. क्यों होगी वो? क्योंकि डायमंड कोयले से ही निकलता है. डायमंड कोयले से ही निकलता है, और उस डायमंड को निकालने वाले अब आप हैं. क्योंकि जो यूनिवर्सिटी में जब जाएगा बच्चा, तो वो ऑलरेडी समझ के जाएगा, बिकॉज वो मैच्योर हो चुका है, उसको मालूम है कि क्या चाहिए. यूनिवर्सिटी उसको शार्पन करती है, यूनिवर्सिटी उसको पॉलिश करती है, सो दैट टुमारो when the boy, when the girl should come in the industry, either started his own industry or work for somebody else, right? He or she should be shining, which is the real requirement, which is the real need of the hour. Then only we can say that we are able to build our every young minds as a आत्मनिर्भर. और ये हम पे ही निर्भर करता है कि हम उसको कैसे आत्मनिर्भर बनाएं. It start from the schools. It start from the schools only. Third thing I like to talk about it. I and a couple of the seniors sitting here, we are from the baby boomers area. Now there's millennials have come. Now after that, Gen Z has come, Gen Z, which we call. Now the Gen Alpha has come. And Gen Alpha means the student, the बच्चे लोग जो born हुए 2012 के बाद, they are Gen Alpha. So now we are 2024. After a few days, we will be in 2025. So they will be 13 years old. When they will be 13 years old, means by the time it will be 2030, they will be 18 years. It means that the things are getting changed. So we all have to change as per the requirement. Today they talk the language of podium, cis, right? Mio. I don't know whether how many people are knowing about it, but I have learned that language. Cis is suspicious. This guy is suspicious. They talk about podium. Podium means somebody is ready to make the thing different. That's a new language has come for the Gen Alpha, and they have born with the smartphone. They may not be smart, but they know the utilization of the smartphone. So that is very, very important for all of us to ensure that how we should be adopting it, and once we are going to adopt, we can make a difference. Fourth point, because I'm a person from the corporate, when I see the people who are coming from the university, what they want to do it, why there is attrition, because basic requirement has to be changed. The fundamentals has to be very strong. And I'd like to request here that please encourage the student of 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th standard to do the podcasting, to take the interview of the people. Please call the different people from the different society. The person from the bank should come. They should talk about the financial literacy. Why only an educator should talk the financial literacy? A bank person can tell the financial literacy in a much better way. A person who is in a share broking, he will be able to tell about the better way of producing and investing in the shares, because tomorrow tomorrow is the requirement. And many of us, we are not aware about it. So we have to aware about it, and at the same time, we have to learn about the things. EQ. EQ is not only the emotional quotient. Today, it is basically economic quotient. When we talk about the Atmanirbhar Bharat, when we talk about the Swarnim Bharat, this is the basic requirement. We should understand how the economy is going to make the difference, how we are going to be a $1 trillion economy, what is the small nuggets which is going to make a difference. And then only it will happen when we start it from the school. And request to all of you, please start inviting the different professionals of the different categories, so that they will be able to teach them, they will be able to make the thing. Because when the student comes from the school to the university like Maharishi, he or she should be very, very clear कि मुझे करना क्या है, बढ़ना क्या है, आगे मैं कैसे अपने को ऐड कर सकता हूँ, because value added is very important. Now the last point is the change. Change is a very, very important segment. Mahatma Gandhi साहब ने भी बोला था, be the change what you want to be, right? But it starts from us. Today there is no competition between anybody else. हम सामने बैठे हैं, जिनके बाजू में बैठे हैं, उनके साथ मेरा कंपटीशन नहीं है. मेरा कंपटीशन मुझसे है. मुझसे ही कंपटीशन है. वॉट एवर आई हैव अचीव्ड, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी 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 ओपन थिंग. यू कैन नॉट इनकैश द चेक ट्वाइस. You have already encashed the check. You have already encashed the check. Today we have encashed the check wherever we are today. That's why we have been felicitated, we have been invited, we have been getting honored. But what is going to happen at 2025? So we have to produce a new check, which is important. And that check can be produced not by anybody else. It is only by us. Let me tell you, I'm very happy to see Dr. Shama here, right? Because at this age, I learned how to prepare the PPT in 2 minutes of time from her. In 2 minutes of time. Thank you, Dr. Shama. Right. And I was not able to know. So she guided me that in Canva, because we used to prepare 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. In 2 minutes of the time, she guided me, and I can produce any type of the PPT sitting at any part of the things in 2 minutes of the time. This is the way we have to adopt. We have to learn the thing which is very, very important. Right? And I'm sure you all must be knowing it, but for me it was not there. So I learnt about it. So learning is one of the very important thing, very important aspect of the life, जिसको कि जब तक जिंदा हैं तब तक हमें लर्न करना है, क्योंकि चेंज हो रहा है, थिंग्स आर गेटिंग चेंज. और ये जो आज हम मोबाइल फ़ोन लेके जाते हैं ना, हम सबके पास स्मार्टफोन है, बट हम कितने स्मार्ट हैं उसको यूज़ करने के लिए. टुडे विद सिंगल वन मोबाइल फ़ोन वी कैन ट्रैवल टू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड without carrying our wallet. One mobile phone and one credit card. That is all for the entire world. I have traveled because I was covering 25 countries in my previous organization. I used to carry my mobile and my card. That's all. No money, nothing. And I have seen that not today, 4 years before. Now today it is after 4 years I'm talking to the same thing, which is important. So this is all about it. Last, I started with the Darwin theory. Darwin said survival of the fittest. Now the thing has been changed. It is survival of the finest. The finest person is going to survive, not survive, but the finest person is going to be sustainable for the coming time, because you don't know. Today we are sitting here. In 2030, when we are going to meet, maybe our avatars will be there. We don't know whether in the every school there will be a hybrid way of working. There will be a robo along with the teacher will be teaching it. That is a new way, and it is happening very fast. In India, there are 27 robos are there which they are teaching in the different schools, and it is getting adopted because the cost is coming down and the innovation is coming. It is getting adopted. आई एम श्योर हम सब लोग अभी प्रताप अपना इलाहाबाद के बारे में सुन रहे होंगे. वहाँ पे महाकुंभ हो रहा है, राइट? वहाँ पे इंटायर गवर्नमेंट इज पुटिंग द इंटायर थिंग्स ऑफ द AI. खोए हुए लोगों के लिए भी AI से पता कर लेंगे, हर चीज़ AI से. So much is there. So technology is always a boon, not a bane. Technology is always going to help. Technology is always going to accelerate, because when the technology is there, our mind is very clear, and then we can utilize that mind in a much bigger way and the better way, which is very, very important. So once again, because being a part of, keep on coming regularly to Maharishi University, I know, sir, what great thing Maharishi University is doing, and I'm sure most of the students who will come to the Maharishi, they will be able to expand their scenario of understanding, and they will be able to build Atmanirbhar Bharat in the coming time, because that is the way it is required. So thank you so much for giving me this time. और एक जाते जाते एक छोटी सी बात है, उधार जब किसी को देते हैं तो आप सब याद रखते हैं कि नहीं रखते हैं? याद रखते होंगे ना? रखते हैं. तो आज की मुलाकात मैं ये उधार लेकर के आपसे जा रहा हूँ कि 2025 में मिलूँ, तो आप याद रखना. थैंक यू वेरी मच.